Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm so glad to have you. Today, we're tackling a topic that is super close to my heart and something I get asked about all the time: how to save money as a homemaker. Running a household is a full-time job, and being the CEO of your home means you're also the chief financial officer. It can feel overwhelming, but trust me, with a few smart strategies, you can make a huge impact on your family's finances without feeling like you're sacrificing everything. So grab a cup of coffee, get comfy, and let's dive into some practical, game-changing tips that will help you stretch your budget and build a more secure financial future for your family. First things first, we have to talk about the B word, budgeting. I know, it can sound restrictive, but I want you to reframe how you think about it. A budget isn't about telling you what you can't have. It's a roadmap that tells your money where to go so you can achieve your goals. Start by tracking your expenses for one full month. Use a simple notebook, a spreadsheet, or a free app. The goal is to see exactly where your money is going. You might be shocked to see how those daily coffee runs or impulse buys at the checkout counter add up. Once you have that clear picture, you can create a realistic budget. Allocate funds for necessities like housing, utilities, and groceries, but also make sure to budget for savings, debt repayment, and yes, even a little fun money. A budget that's too strict is a budget you won't stick to. Now, let's talk about the biggest budget buster for most families: groceries. This is where you can make the most significant savings. The number one rule: always, and I mean always, shop with a list. But before you even make that list, plan your meals for the week. Look at what you already have in your pantry, fridge, and freezer, and plan meals around those items first. This simple step stops you from buying duplicates and reduces food waste, which is literally like throwing money in the trash. When you're at the store, stick to your list. The stores are designed to make you buy more. Avoid the end caps unless the item is on your list, and be wary of sales that tempt you to buy things you don't actually need. Another pro tip is to shop seasonally for produce. Berries are going to be much cheaper in the summer than in the middle of winter, and don't be afraid of store brands. In most cases, they're made in the same factories as the big-name brands, and the quality is identical, but the price is significantly lower. Let's move on to cooking from scratch. This might sound time-consuming, but it's one of the most powerful money-saving habits you can build. Processed and prepackaged foods come with a hefty convenience tax. Think about it. A bag of pre-cut salad mix costs way more than a head of lettuce you chop yourself. Baking your own bread, muffins, or cookies is not only cheaper but also healthier because you control the ingredients. You don't have to go full-on homesteader overnight. Start small. Maybe this week, you bake a batch of cookies instead of buying them. Next week, you could try making your own pizza dough for family pizza night. It's also a wonderful activity to do with your kids. These small changes add up to big savings over time and create beautiful family memories in the process. Embrace your inner baker and chef. Your wallet will thank you for it. Okay, let's talk about reducing household bills. Utilities can take a huge bite out of your budget, but there are simple ways to trim them down. Be mindful of your electricity usage. Unplug electronics when they're not in use, as many of them draw phantom power. Switch to energy-efficient LED light bulbs. In the colder months, seal drafts around windows and doors, and maybe turn the thermostat down a degree or two and put on a cozy sweater. In the summer, use fans and close the blinds during the hottest part of the day. And what about those monthly subscriptions? Do a subscription audit. Are you really watching all those streaming services? Do you use that monthly beauty box? Be ruthless. If you're not using it regularly, cancel it. That money can be redirected straight into your savings account. It's about being intentional with every dollar you spend. Another area where we can find massive savings is by embracing the use it up, wear it out, make it do, or do without mentality. Before you rush out to buy something new, ask yourself a few questions. Can I repair what I already have? Can I borrow this item from a friend or neighbor? Can I find it secondhand? Facebook Marketplace, thrift stores, and consignment shops are treasure troves for everything from clothing to furniture to kids' toys, often in excellent condition for a fraction of the retail price. This mindset shift not only saves you a ton of money but is also so much better for the environment. It's about being resourceful and creative. You'll be surprised at how little you actually need to buy new when you start looking for alternatives. This isn't about deprivation, It's about being a smart and conscious consumer. Let's get into some creative ways to bring in a little extra cash from home. Being a homemaker gives you a unique skill set that is highly valuable. Do you love to bake? You could consider selling custom cakes or cookies locally. Are you super organized? You could offer your services as a home organizer. Maybe you're great with kids and could offer babysitting services to other parents in your neighborhood. You could also sell items you no longer need online. Decluttering your home can literally pay off. Think about your hobbies and passions. Can you turn one of them into a small side income? Even an extra $100 or $200 a month can make a huge difference. It can be your fun money fund, go towards a family vacation, or accelerate your savings goals. The possibilities are truly endless when you start thinking outside the box. Finally, I want to talk about the importance of having financial goals. Saving money just for the sake of saving can feel uninspired. But when you're saving for something specific, it becomes exciting and motivating. Sit down with your partner and dream a little. Do you want to save for a down payment on a house? Pay off your car early, take the family on a dream vacation to Disney. Build up a robust emergency fund that gives you peace of mind. Write these goals down, make them visible, create a vision board. When you have a clear why, it makes all the small sacrifices like skipping the takeout or brewing coffee at home feel worthwhile and empowering. You're not just cutting costs, you're actively building the life you want for your family, one smart decision at a time. So there you have it, my top strategies for saving money and thriving as a homemaker. Remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint. Start by implementing one or two of these tips, and as you get comfortable, add in more. Every small change you make is a step in the right direction. You are the heart of your home, and the work you do is incredibly valuable. By taking control of your family's finances, you are adding another layer of security, stability, and love to the foundation you've already built. You've got this. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you found these tips helpful and feel inspired to start your own money-saving journey. If you have any other great tips, please share them in the comments below. I'd love to learn from you too. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.